Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'll be showing you how to change alarm sound on iPhone 16. Let's begin. So first we want to not go into the settings, but go into the clock itself. That's a spoiler, but yeah, we basically want to go into the alarm that we want to change the sound in. So for me it's this one, and right here we can see the sound. In here we have a nice list of basically pretty nice sounds. We can also pick our custom one. We can also set to none, but I don't know why would you do that, since you won't be able to hear the alarm. But let's go to, well, something classic. And as you can see we have a nice list. Let's go with alarm. That is a nice sound. And then we simply hit back. Then we hit save. And as you can see, our sound is now changed to alarm. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.